OPEC explained. Pay attention, you will learn something from this video. You will understand OPEC very well. Understand the member countries. Understand that there are a lot of countries that are oil producing that doesn't belong to OPEC. You don't want to miss this fact. Let's watch it. OPEC. You've heard OPEC, right? OPEC is the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. So anytime you hear OPEC, one thing is sure, exporting countries. What are they exporting? Crude oil. All right. OPEC was established in 1960. Pay attention. There is something you will learn from this video. OPEC has 12 member states. The likes of Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Iraq, Iran, Nigeria, Libya, Kuwait, Algeria, Congo, Saudi Arabia, UAE, United Arab Emirates, Venezuela. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 12 countries belong to OPEC and they export crude oil. But do you know that there are other countries that produce crude oil, export crude oil, but they don't belong to OPEC? As a matter of fact, there are 96 crude oil exporting countries in the world. Only 12 belong to OPEC. The likes of USA, Canada, Spain, China, Russia, Angola, Brazil, Ecuador, Tunisia, etc. We are going to drop the complete list of oil exporting countries in the comment section. But the point here is that only 12 out of 96 belong to OPEC. The remaining, including the US is the highest oil producing country in the whole world. They have about 13.1 million barrels per day. But they don't belong to OPEC, yet they still export. When you hear oil exporting countries, it's not just these 12. It's just that these 12 belong to OPEC. We still have other oil exporting countries that don't belong to OPEC. The full list I will drop in the comment section. 96 oil exporting countries. Only a minute 12 belong to OPEC, and Nigeria is one of them. Have you learned something now? So OPEC is just 12 countries, but we have 96 oil exporting countries around the world. All right, I trust you have learned a lot from this topic, OPEC explained. Kindly share this video and follow for more.